Welcome to Finademy course of Technical Analysis Basics. Our topic today is the use of trend. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for more courses and free practice tests. Number 1. The idea of a trend is perhaps the most important concept in technical analysis. The meaning in finance isn't all that different from the general definition of the term. A trend is really nothing more than the general direction in which a security or market is headed. Note that sometimes it isn't difficult to see the trend higher as shown in Figure 1. However, it's not always that easy, as demonstrated in Figure 2 below. There are a lot of ups and downs in this chart, but there isn't a clear definition of which direction the stock is headed. Answer the question. What does trend mean in finance? A. The most abstract concept in technical analysis. B. The general direction in which a security or market is headed. C. The ups and downs of stocks. D. The health of the economy. The correct answer is B. The general direction in which a security or market is headed. Number 2. Trends aren't always easy to spot because prices almost never move in straight lines. Rather, prices tend to move in a series of highs and lows over time. In technical analysis, it is the overall direction of these highs and lows that constitute a trend. An uptrend is classified as a series of higher highs and higher lows, while a downtrend consists of lower lows and lower highs. Here is an example of an uptrend. In this figure, each of the high points at number 2, 4, and 6 of the trend are higher than the previous high, while each of the low points at number 3 and 5 of the trend are higher than the previous low. For the uptrend to continue, the next low point must be above the point number 5, and the next high point must be above number 6, else the trend will be deemed a reversal. Answer the question. Why are trends difficult to spot? A. Because prices tend to move in a series of highs and lows over time. B. Because prices always move in straight lines. C. Because there isn't any fluctuation in the moving of prices. D. Because there is always an uptrend in the prices. The correct answer is A. Because prices tend to move in a series of highs and lows over time. Number 3. According to the trend direction, there are 3 typical types of trends, including uptrend, downtrend, and sideways or horizontal trends. In addition to the direction, trends can be classified in terms of their length. Most traders consider trends short-term, intermediate-term, or long-term. Long-term trends occur over a time frame of longer than 1 year. Intermediate-term trends occur over 1 to 3 months, and short-term trends occur over less than 1 month. Trends are also embedded within one another. Note that long-term trends consist of a series of intermediate-term trends which consist of a series of short-term trends. Long-term uptrends may have several short and intermediate-term downtrends along the way. Answer the question. Which is not one type of trend in terms of length? A. Intermediate-term trends. B. Long-term trends. C. Full-term trends. D. Short-term trends. The correct answer is C. Full-term trends. Number 4. When analyzing a trend, it's important that the chart is constructed to best reflect the type of trend being analyzed. Daily or weekly charts are best for identifying long-term trends, while minute or hourly charts are best for short-term trends. It is also important to remember that long-term trends carry greater weight than short-term trends. For instance, a 1-month trend isn't as significant as a 5-year trend. Answer the question. What is considered to be important when analyzing a trend? A. The use of an annual chart. B. The collection of a variety of charts. C. The application of analytical technique. D. The construction of the chart to best reflect the type of trends being analyzed. The correct answer is D. The construction of the chart to best reflect the type of trends being analyzed. To learn the full course, please download our free app Finademy on the App Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.